Hey guys, welcome back. So this is my Year of Cheer YouTube hop video, and this month we are focusing on Christmas packaging, and I thought to do something budget friendly where you don't need a whole lot of supplies. And what I want to share is this cute little purse here. So this purse is made from a 6x6 piece of paper. Super easy, very simple to make. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick tutorial after I just, show you the things that can be held in this purse. So I did use a Velcro closure for the purse, and when you open it up, it has this space here. And the first thing you can do is you can put a lip balm in the space. It fits perfect, and that would be a nice gift. You can also put candy. I know for a fact that Hershey Nuggets can fit in here. I don't have any Hershey Nuggets, but we do have some Lindors. So I put 2 in here, and they fit nicely. Perfect. And so besides Lindors, we also have mini Kit Kat bars. These are the cotton candy Kit Kat bars from Costco. 2 of them can fit perfect into this little compartment, and it fits perfect. And the good thing about this is it doesn't only have to be Christmas. You can use this purse or create it in any holiday, any occasion that you'd like. So that's another good thing about this little mini purse here. So let's get started and make it. So the first thing you'll need is a 6x6 paper pad, or just 2 6x6 sheets of paper. So once you decide what paper you're going to use, you want to determine which one is going to be your base of the purse and which one is going to be the accents, which is going to be the handles here and the border and the closure. So I think that this candy cane is going to be the body of the purse, and then I'm going to use the polka dots as the accent. Okay, so that's 2 6x6 papers. Then you're going to need your scoreboard and some glue. I have my glue gun on. If you want to round the corners of the purse closure, I mean, it's optional. Then you would need your corner rounding tool there, and then a bone folder. And you don't even need a bone folder. So first, let's work on our base. Let me move this out of the way. So we're going to put it on our scoreboard, and we're going to score it at 1 1/4 and 4 3/4, or you can score it at 1 1/4, flip it, and do 1 1/4 again. Some people like to do it that way. So 1 1/4 and 4 3/4, or 1 1/4, turn it to the other side and do 1 1/4 again, because it's even on each side. So then we're going to turn it once, and then we're going to score it at 2 1/2 and 3 1/2. That's all you'll need for the scoreboard. So now you just want to go ahead and burnish all the score lines. Just be sure not to crack your paper. Some papers crack easily. This one doesn't, so I'm good if I do it a little too hard. Sometimes I have a heavy hand, so here we go. So this is what you should have. So now what we're going to do is you're going to fold the 2 1 1/4 inch ends up, because this is how the purse is going to be. So this is the tricky part. So the corner here you're going to bend that in, and you're going to bring this score line to the outer score line, if that makes sense. So you're going to bend it. Hold on, I'm going to try to do it without doing it on the table. You're going to bend it so where the score line touches the score line, if you can see that. It bends pretty easy. You just want to be sure it's to the line, and then you want to use your finger and really burnish that. So do you see that? So it was like this. This corner here, make sure it's nice and sharp. You're going to bring this score line to the outer score line, like so. So that's how it should look. You're going to do that on the other side as well. Let's do it again. So we're going to go up, make sure that corner is scored very well. So then you're going to push in, push this part in, just push it in like this, and you're going to make the score line touch the other score line. And then you're going to go ahead and burnish. So it should look like this. You see that? And then we're going to do the other side. You can open it up. Again, just make sure the corners are nice and crisp. Then we're going to, you see, do this here, this motion where the corner is going to touch this outer score line. And then just get your fingers and crease it. So it should look like this. You see how the purse is forming? And then the last one here. Again, just kind of bend the top in, pull this out, and bring it out here. And then just crease it. So that's what you should have. See how easy that is? And that's the purse. So now what we need to do is just get our glue, whatever type of glue you want to use, and we're going to glue these corners down like so. Okay, I'm going to use my glue gun just for this tutorial because it dries quicker. So you just want to put the corners down with glue. Let's see. I'll do this one here. So you can create this for Easter, Mother's Day coming up. This is a really fun and easy project to do. All right, so once you have all the four corners down, there you have your purse. You see that? So that's the base of the purse. Now with your next 6x6 sheet of paper, this is the one that we're going to use for the accents. You're going to cut 2 strips that are 1/2 inch by 3.5 inches. Okay, so we're going to do 1/2 inch. And then another 1/2 inch. By 3.5. And then we're going to need 2 strips that are 1/2 inch by 6 inches. All right, so these are my 1/2 inch by 3.5. Then I'm going to need 2 1/2 inch by 6 inches. That will be for the straps. And let's see here, 1/2 inch. And then the last cut will be 3/4 inch by 2. 3/4 inch by 2. All right, and that's the closure. You can do the closure any way you want. This is just what I like to do when I make this purse. So first, what I'm going to do is glue the border of the purse on, so you can see that. So again, I'm just going to use my glue gun because it's just quicker. It's hard to see. Let me see here. All right. So that's one side. This is the other side here. Okay, so that's the border of the purse. And now we have the straps. So you might want to go ahead and curl the strips. So I have this tool where I can curl my paper here. And then you want to make sure you kind of center it the best you can. I think like that, about there is good. So let's bring this out just a little, like so. All right, then we're gonna bring this around and just make sure it's even. All right. So that's one strap. Then we're gonna make sure the back strap is gonna be in the same spot. So I just bring it together, make sure it's even, and it is. Bring it around. That's where that strap is. And place that one down. All right, so there's the purse. Now this is the closure. Again, I'm just gonna kind of bend the paper a bit so it's easier to work with. I am gonna round my edges here. All right. So what I do is I just try to find the center between the straps and I glue it on the border. So I think it's about here. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good. Then bring it around, and that's how it's going to close. You will need some type of closure, so I use these mini Velcro dots here. So let me just get a pair out. I've had these forever. These are from AliExpress. So here's a set. So I'm just going to put it on, close my purse, bring it down, put my fingers inside so I can make sure it's secure and sticks to the paper. And here's the purse. Now, isn't that cute? You can decorate it obviously however you like. You can do just something simple like how I did here, or you can hang a dangle. You can decorate the corners here or the whole front. It's a small purse, so it won't take too much time to decorate. I think this is super cute. So I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you all for stopping by. Have a great day and happy crafting. Bye.